Hi guys, it's Diamond, and here is a Hobo Weeks cover, and this is this is a very beautiful leather, but I'm sorry, this leather is all already sold out in in a month ago, and the left the left leather that I only have is just a, a piece that's enough to make a hobo with cover. And in coincidence, and also in coincidence, the customer the customer, she want a hobo wigs, and she is asking me about the leathers, and I just tell him, okay, if you want a friend leather, and I think there is enough, just enough to make one, the last one cover in here. But I'm sorry to the customer. Let me see. Cherio. I'm sorry to Cherio because I make this because I make a large notebook today, and I just make one cover by one cover, and I didn't notice the Cherio, you want the logo in the Lecow, but I already stamped it on the right. That I'm very sorry to you. Okay, and later I will send you an email or will send you a message to apologize for the mistake I made, because I was to focus on making all the covers today and didn't read read didn't read all the email or read all the message had I had chat before. Sorry, but after I make this, I just go check again and see something that I missed or something, and that really I missed. You have tell me before you want the logo on the account. I'm sorry. I hope you will accept the right logos too. Okay, and let's go inside because the front pocket is a matcha, and so I just want to make it symmetry. So you can see I made in the inside pocket is also have matcha here, and also have two friends here. It just make this cover more symmetry and beautiful. Yes. So you can see this is the hobo wigs, and the leather is all finished in my shop. So if you guys love the friend leather, I'm sorry, because I had told you guys before, the leather dealer's factory has a fire accident, so she can't offer me the beautiful leathers anymore. So like in my shop, they are just very regular leathers before. Now all become to the lifted leathers, like the white cherry, like the chocolate, like the old boots, and like the matcha, like the sapphire. Many leathers I have in the textures or become the lifted leathers. Yes. So by the way, and even my chocolate is going to be the lifted leathers. Yes, and I can only get the other one piece in the next Monday. Yes, I'm so sad about all the letters just all become limited, and I need to find a way, find some new shops of the new leather shops to find some good letters to back to my shop again. Yes, so you can see the friend is really stunning letters, but I'm so sad it is not coming back anymore. Yes. So cheerio, you are so lucky, and hope you will love this cover and love this combine I designed for you. Yes. And also I chose this button for you, and it's just very beautiful. You can see, let's see clearly. Okay, very beautiful. Yes, and I'm sorry again for the logos mistake. I'm sorry, and I will email to you or send message to you to say sorry to you. Okay, and this is the Hobble Weeks today, and I just especially to make this video to tell you guys the beautiful letters. We see it again here. Yes. Okay. So if you guys love these letters, like the same textures letters in my shop, you have to make very quickly make orders, because tell you guys the truth, the letters, the beautiful letters really is going to sell out very quickly. So don't hesitate, just go make orders in the wild cherry, in the old birds, in any letters I still have in my shop now. I mean the textures letters, or they will just be gone very quickly. Okay, hope you guys will love the video today, and hope cheerio you will love it too. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.